Now we still have shells and potatoes. Beer. Cheese. All plopped in the water.
Oh. That's funny.
Wonder how much of it she just poofed out because it's cold.
I don't know. It's pretty fat. The other birds aren't. Ah, Tux. That's too cute.
They recommend that you put water near feeders.
Well, there's water near the feeder.
Yeah. Wonder if shouldn't come up with some kind of bird bath for them.
Yeah, I was kind of just thinking that too.
Doves.
Doves? Oh,
or
yeah.
Pigeons.
Pigeons coming in for the water bath too.
Yeah, those doves.
Doves. Cool. Morning doves or some other turtle doves?
Morning, I think.
Morning doves eat seeds, don't they?
Probably.
I know robins don't, but...
They don't?
No, they're meat eaters. They eat worms and grubs.
Well, I knew they ate worms. I just wasn't sure if that was all they ate.
I don't know. Maybe they eat seeds, but I'm pretty sure they're just meat eaters.